Characteristics of the iPhone SE2, and in terms of hardware, I must say, everything should be more than perfect for new products. According to rumors, internally they will become full copies of the iPhone 11. They will be based on the A13 Bionic processor, 3GB of RAM and 64/128GB of internal storage. The cameras of the devices will probably also undergo some upgrade and learn how to take portrait photographs of the portrait lighting format and shoot in other modes. At the same time, the retail price for the basic version of the smartphone will be $399, exactly the same as the original iPhone SE2 cost at the start. iPhone SE2 will not. But what about the iPhone 9? Most likely, the new items in question will be released in March this year. And since Apple has unused iPhone 9 and 9 Plus brands in stock, it is likely that these names will be assigned to future devices. In any case, this would be more logical than calling them something like the iPhone SE2 and iPhone SE2 Plus, especially since they practically have nothing to do with the original iPhone SE, either in appearance or in size, or even more so in the set of technical characteristics. Even conceptually comparing them, in my opinion, is not entirely true, because the original was knocked out of the general line, and these will be very appropriate to complement it.